Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a super practical question. How can you send money from the USA to Zambia in 2025? Whether you're supporting family, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable methods step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, in 2025, digital transfers have become even more streamlined thanks to advancements in fintech. The most popular options include services like Wise, Remitly, and Western Union. These platforms make it simple to send money quickly and securely. To get started, you'll need a few essentials: a valid U.S. bank account or debit card, the recipient's details in Zambia, such as their bank account or mobile money number, and of course, your ID for verification. Let me break it down for you. Step 1. Choose your method. For the fastest option, go with Wise. It's often the cheapest with real-time exchange rates. Sign up on their app or website, enter the amount in USD, and select Zambian kwacha as the currency. Step 2. Provide recipient info. Make sure you have their full name, bank details, or if they're using mobile money like Airtel Money, their phone number. Step 3. Review fees and rates. In 2025, expect competitive exchange rates, but always compare. Wise might charge around 0.5 to 1% plus a small fixed fee, while Western Union could be higher for cash pickups. Now, for security, always use reputable services to avoid scams. Double check for any new regulations. For instance, Zambia might require additional compliance for larger amounts. Once you're set, confirm the transfer and track it online. Most arrive within 1 to 3 business days. One more tip. To get the best deal, send during off-peak times or use apps that offer promotional rates. And remember, if you're sending a lot, consider tax implications in both countries. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to Zambia in 2025 is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.